In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save caption templates as presets in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to keep your captions consistent across projects and save time by reusing your favorite styles with a single click. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project you're working on. Make sure you have your timeline visible so you can see captions as you style them. Once you're in the editor, look for the Captions section. This is where CapCut groups everything related to subtitle styling and behavior. And it's the control center for the look and feel of your text on screen. Inside Captions, open the Templates area. This is a curated library of ready-made caption styles. Think of these as starting points rather than final designs. You'll see options that vary by font, size, animation, background, and highlight behavior. Use this to quickly explore the overall vibe you want: clean and minimal, bold and kinetic, or something that matches your brand's voice. Select any template to apply it to your captions. The style will preview on your timeline and in the viewer, so you can instantly evaluate how it reads against your footage. Choose one that remains legible over both light and dark scenes, and consider how it will look on mobile screens where space is limited. Now make adjustments. Tweak the font, size, and color for readability. Increase contrast by using a solid background box or a subtle stroke or shadow. Adjust line spacing and letter spacing to avoid crowding, and set alignment and on-screen position so captions don't overlap with important visuals. If the template includes animation or word-by-word highlights, fine-tune the speed and timing so the motion supports clarity rather than distracting from it. Keep your brand in mind. Consistent colors, weights, and placement go a long way. When you're happy with the style, click Save as Preset. This captures your current caption settings, things like font, color, outline, background, spacing, and position, so you can apply them instantly in future projects. If CapCut prompts you to name it, use a clear label that describes the look, such as Brand Bold Lower Third or Mobile White with Shadow, so it's easy to find later. Remember, the preset saves the style, not the caption text itself. That's it. Open CapCut, go to Captions, head into Templates, choose a template, adjust it to perfection, and save it as a preset. This simple workflow keeps your captions consistent, professional, and fast to set up every time you edit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save on your next project.